The doctors at Havana Hermanos Amilleras Hospital worked hard to save their famous patient. People are over listening carefully to the radio news. Anna friends and family hurried to her bedside, Plattsburgh covered is 38% of Anna's body and she was close to death. A few years later, Anna woke up. Fidel Castro was by bedside. Overrun again, she told him. Then her eyes closed. Anna spent 4 long months in the hospital. Slowly, she became strong. First, she began walking about her room. Sometimes she cried with pain and sadness. You must rest, her friends told her, but Anna did not listen. Every day she walked a little better. She resolved to stop fighting. Only a month after her accident, Anna began working a road inside the hospital. After 3 months, she was running up and down the hospital stairs 15 floors. Next, she asked for an exercise bike in the hospital room. The doctors could not believe their eyes. Anna Grad with wing again wing and imps. If don't run again, she will end in well dead. The skin on Anna's hands, arms, and stomach was very badly burned. She could not move the top part of the her body freely. It was very difficult for her to walk in her brain. It almost impossible to run well, but scuba vets doctors carefully repaired her body. It was her slow work. Anna went home and started running outside, but her son's heart was so strong for her skin was weak and burned very easily. She could only practice very early in the morning until late at night. This problem did not stop her, and I worked hard that year. She wanted to run for her country again, but she was in her 32 or worse. International people said, and I didn't know 1993, the same year a has terrible accident. She ran at the Central America and Caribbean Games in Puerto Rico and was not Hamilton mob. He arms horribly hits at time, but she surprised everyone. She ran well and won one silver medal in the 800 meter race. The cold Lovett hit. She won a silver medal in the race, Castro said, but she won a gold medal for courage. B 1995 and I was running internationally that summer she won the gold medal for 800 meters in the World Games in Scotland Swindon. She was one of the fastest women in the world again. In the most difficult times, they said it did not it became back strongly. And raced many strong to runner in 1996 are 33 years old and she was often the old woman in the her race aim to run if can run Olympic Games again it will happy to say. The 1996 Olympic Games were in Atlanta, US. Some the fastest women of all time were three: Maria Mutola of Mozambique, the American Meredith Rainey, and Svetlana Masterkova of Russia. The early race were very hard for Anna, but she ran fast and well. New in the finals, she could race against in the world best runner at the Olympics of one more time in her meet this her. Let's be race, the harder woman who was younger and stronger. Anna was happy to be with Steve. It will run fast as impossible. She thought it was difficult race, but Anna won the silver medal. She was less than second making Masterkova. Anna was head of the airplane at Havana in 21 Cuba in the world got to be. She was Cuba's most famous and favorite runner running until my country saved my life. She explained it when I started running again. The game was live and a hero fight against pain and Linus exam of courage for us all.